Hello class, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to access the Focus on Geodatabases ebook in the Cuesta Library website. If you go to the home page of the library, you can see the main search window here. So we're just going to click on that and type in the title and click the search button. You can see it's the first result here. So we're just going to click on View eBook. And it tells you a little bit about the book. You can even see the table of contents down below here. We want the full text, so we're going to click on the EPUB full text link on the left side menu. And you can see the contents on the left again here. And to download a chapter, there is a download button to the right. I'm just going to download chapter 1. So whatever chapter you want, just click on the download button there. You have the option of just downloading the tutorials if you open up the chapter submenus. But I want to download the whole chapter, so I'm going to click on that. It says you have a limited number of pages to download, so just be aware of that if you're downloading material from this book. You'll always be able to access it, but you won't be able to download the whole book. I'm going to say current chapter, download PDF. And you can see the bottom left of my screen, that PDF file's been downloaded. That's it.